Lysosome. Lysosome was discovered by Christian D. Dubé. Lyso means digestive and soma means body. So, lysosome is a digestive body. Because in which so many digestive enzymes present in lysosomes. These are teeny sac-like granules containing enzymes for intracellular digestion. They are bounded by a single membrane. They occur in animal cells and a few plant cells. They do not have a definite shape or size. They contain hydrolyzing enzymes called acid hydrolase. Function of lysosomes. Their main function is phagy. Phagy means digestion. They are kind of waste disposal system. They help in digesting foreign materials and worn out cells. During disturbances in cellular metabolism, that is, in case of cell damage, lysosome burst and their enzymes are released into cytoplasm and they digest the own cells, so they are also called as suicidal bags. Vacuoles. Some animal cells may have one to a few small fluid-filled vacuoles. In general, plant cells possesses one or a few large vacuoles. These are bounded by a single membrane called tonoplast. Functions of vacuoles are these serve for storage and the transport of dissolved secretory or excretory substances and for the maintenance of an intracellular turgor pressure. Some freshwater unicellular organism possesses one, two or few contractile vacuoles bounded by a simple and delicate membrane different from typical unit membrane. Now, plastids. Plants and some protists have several types of membrane-bound organelles called plastid, which harvest solar energy, manufacture nutrient molecules, and store materials. Plastid generally contain pigments and may synthesize and accumulate various substances. Plastids are of three types. First, chloroplast, next chromoplast, and next leucoplast. First, chloroplast, most common plastids with the greatest biological importance. They take part in photosynthesis to produce life-supporting gas, oxygen, and most of the energy used on our planet by living beings. Blue-green algae lack chloroplast and have loosely arranged membrane in the cytoplasm in the form of sacs of thylakoid of typical unit membrane structure called lamellae. Now, structure of chloroplast. Chloroplasts are double membranous bounded organelle. The outer covering of chloroplast has an envelope composed of unit membrane made up of lipoprotein. Inside the membrane is the proteinaceous ground substances called stroma. Stroma contains a variety of particles, droplets, ribosomes, strands of DNA and RNA, dissolved salts and enzymes. This is lipid globule. Embedded in the stroma are several membranes throughout the length of chloroplast called lamellae. At some intervals, the lamella have 10 to 100 rounded flat sac-like structures stacked one about the other like a pile of coins. Such rounded flat structure is called a thylakoid. And stack of thylakoid is called granum. Thylakoid is a coin-like structure. It contains chlorophyll molecules